Hello guys, welcome to my today's video. I am shooting this video from afternoon. It's 2:30 p.m. right now, and in the morning I was not able to shoot anything as my school classes were going on from 9 to 12. It was physics and chemistry class. Each class was half an hour long, and now I'm doing chapter 7 of biology, structural organization in animals. My class is still going on. It's now from 3 to 4:30. It's biology class, and we are starting with this beautiful chapter. It's like really amazing. If you have interest in biology, you will seriously like it. And yeah, from today our Need Arjuna batch is also going to start. You can have a look the way I make notes on my book. These are like short notes, like when my teacher discuss anything like very important which is not given in the book, I write it. And you can also have some snacks while writing. It's like not make you feel bored. And my NEET classes for Arjuna is going to start from 4, so it is a little clash, but I'm going to start it from 4:30. And it's and now when I saw that earlier I was not doing it because like there was some problem with the app and it got crashed something, and the videos were going like very slowly, so I decided to not do so. And I revised the physics class notes that I have written in the morning, and I rewrite it in the fresh notebook. We are studying starting with some basic concepts of mathematics or physics. Today we are doing trigonometry. In the very beginning you will find it literally difficult to solve these questions of trigonometry because this radian and everything is really new. But initially when you will just try to solve it whenever your teacher discusses this with you after the class gets over, have a look at the notes that you have made and then try to rewrite it and then analyze it, and then you will be able to understand. And now it's already 5 p.m. and now I'm starting with this biology lecture. Now it's like pretty good and you can watch it. I am watching it in 1.25x. I have like increased the speed little bit because like literally it was very slow. I think you should make separate copies. Like in my school also, we are preparing for NEET in my school also. So I have made separate copies for my school and for my physics wala's NEET courses. The first day was like really awesome. We just did the introduction of structural organization in animals in the school, and in this Arjuna NEET batch we are doing the same chapters. So like it's a great it's like great luck for me, and it's like really beneficial if you are doing the same thing twice in a day, and it is like getting revised very nicely and it will get fit to your brain. And Sampati ma'am like teaches very nicely. And then it's now 7 p.m. and I was doing this second lecture. It was of physics. Here also we are starting with basic mathematics concepts, and it was trigonometry only. So guys, while studying I make sure that I always have my kada also with me. Like it's very important to have kada during these tough times. We have to make sure that we do not catch any kind of diseases because it will come in our way of studying, and we should only keep our concentration and focus on studying. And like it's not a very big deal. If we'll stay consistent, we will be able to crack the exam. And of course we'll also have some fun also. Like I always make sure that I watch YouTube or Netflix or anything that I like. I always make sure that I have time to talk to my family and go out and have like a little fun. I'm just not like only the kitabi kida just sitting on my table and solving. I'm not like that kind of a boy. So like I hope that you understand everything necessary in life. and like after solving these questions I am like very clear with the concept, and I will keep on practicing this so that I can break my forgetting curve. Like it's very important to break your forgetting curve, and if you want to know more about it, please send it in the comments below. I'll tell you more about it. Please study with me. Like if I am also completing such topics, you should also try to complete the topics at least two subjects a day. Like today I did physics, chemistry and biology. You can do two, and we'll do this and crack this exam. Okay, bye guys. Please like my video and comment. Hope you like it. Bye bye.